Hello everyone, my name is Wendy. I'm from the SHENYANG LANYING Color Steel Company, and today I will interview a valued customer. He is Abdullah, my dear customer, and here is his dad. Okay, hello.
Yes, my name is Abdullah and he's Mr. Falil. He's my dad. So we are from Sri Lanka and our company is into polysac manufacturing in Sri Lanka Polysac. So we just met this company to do a warehouse in China. Yeah, it was very easy because I was searching in Alibaba.
Oh.
So it showed your company had good reviews and it was like one of the best companies. So we had to choose you all and contact, and the reply was very fast from your company, and you all gave us a good engineering idea, and all the reply was very quick. So we thought to choose your company. Yeah, for sure. If now we have just put a purchase order from you all. As we get our warehouse back in Sri Lanka, we will anyways continue making more warehouses in Sri Lanka with you all.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for your
Thank you so
privileged introduction. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.
Bye.